We are back. We're going to take the last few minutes to do our little talk show right now. First of all, we're going to talk about Shaq O'Neal. Shaq, be a man. Come back to the Lakers. Get over your differences. We want to see you come back. You and Kobe. You bring back Shaq at center with Kobe. They feed off each other. They make one another better. And that will be it for the Spurs. That's it. No more dynasty. There's your dynasty. Don't forget the Lakers are about to win 4 in a row. Until all that, whatever happened, doesn't really matter anymore. But Shaq, be a man. I mean, you see Dwayne Wade already doing the Cadillac commercials. So be a man. Come back to LA. You'll get way more money doing commercials. Your endorsements are back. 34 is reinstated. And the Lakers fans just really, really miss you. I miss you. And, I mean, I just don't like watching you play in the East. It bugs me. It bugs me, Shaq. So come back here. You'll be playing Yao 4 or 5 times. You'll be playing Odin 4 or 5 times. You come back to the West. You'll be playing all these, Duncan 4 or 5 times. Get back in shape, and you're back in it. And bring those trophies back home to LA where they belong. So Shaq, Kobe, settle your differences. Is that all right? Bring back Jerry West also. Throw that in the ball game. Okay, we're going to talk about the presidential candidates, starting with, I don't know, who am I in a bad mood with right now? They're just all pissing me off, pretty much. I'm sure they're pissing you off or ticking you off here and there. Just a bunch of crap, all we see every day. But you know, John Edwards has just kind of been on my mind for some reason, just kind of his douchebag style of politicianing. I'm not going to support John Edwards at all. I know you're running for North Carolina, and I like North Carolina a lot, but I mean, what is it, the tobacco company is giving you money to run or what? So you're done. You have no chance to win California whatsoever. Right now, I am totally anti-Democrat, but I have a good friend here, Dennis Christian. And Dennis is from Ohio, and I like some of the things that is coming out of the Ohio camp. And I think all you Democrats should just step aside and let him run and take care of business and get the, big-time business people back into the marketplace and bring those dollars home, jobs here. And another thing I'm going to talk about here, media commentary. We're going to talk about one of the reports during the week regarding corn and why corn is going up, and the ethanol situation, and what is it, the Belchi report on CNN. Ali, your stories are so baseless and so crap. I can't even watch the show because your stories